Hey, what is up everybody? I hope you are enjoying your day, and to make your day even better, I have a very great looking watch face for you guys that you can check out from the Galaxy apps, and you can get this totally free of cost by using the coupons. Link for the coupon generator website is in the description. The watch face developer Highfaces has presented this website that you can use to redeem the coupon on the Galaxy apps. Again, many countries are listed here and that you can use to redeem the coupon and use it on the Galaxy app. So it is a simple process for Galaxy phone users. And guys, moving on to the watch face, here things are very nice and decent looking. First of all, we have our big and bold digital time in the center, hour at the top and minutes at the bottom. And around the bezel of the watch face you can see seconds are moving, and if you want to further customize this watch face, just double tap here on this color icon and it will change the color of this bezel that is moving around the face. So quite nice looking watch face it is. And further, if you want to customize it a bit more, just double tap here in the center of the watch face in order to change the color with the hour and the minute. Further, you can see your analog time is also present here in black and your gray or white color. And if you tap on the top of the watch face, it will take you to your certain shortcuts including alarm and phone. Like if I tap here, my alarm shortcut is here, and also specific app shortcuts are present here in these three dots which are present here. If you tap here, it will take you to your specific app shortcut menu. Same goes for this side as well. So guys, do check it out from the Galaxy apps. A very nice looking watch face under the name of High S13 Bold. Now let's see COD mode. So guys, this is how the AOD mode on the new S13 will look like from Highfaces. Overall dim down face, still showing your digital time plus analog time. And on the left side we can see our step count. On the right side we have our battery percentage. If I double tap on the display, here you go, the actual watch face is here. So do check it out, you will like it. Again, the link for the coupon generator website is in the description. It is a limited time promotional offer, so hurry up and get it as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.